National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Pulaski County, Illinois, northeastern Carlisle County, Kentucky, Ballard County, Kentucky, southwestern McCracken County, Kentucky, northwestern Graves County, Kentucky, until 10 p.m. At 9:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mound City, or near La Center, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paducah, La Center, Lone Oak, Mounds, Barlow, Mound City, Barkley Regional Airport, West Paducah, Lovelessville, Keble, Olmsted, Lowe's, and Blandville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 4 and 9. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 6 and 10. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following county: Pulaski, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky: Ballard, Carlisle, Graves, and McCracken.